taking out the wheelchair body carefully. Fully unfold the wheelchair frame. Press down and lock the safety clips to secure the frame. Remove all protective covers. Take the battery out of its packaging. Install the battery into the power box. Lower the armrest and lock it in place. Unscrew the armrest bolt and install the controller. Attach the cable clip. Press the spring pin to insert and install the anti-tip wheels. Press again to remove. Provides excellent anti-tilt protection. Front and rear hub style and color as per actual product. Pressing the power button to turn on the wheelchair. Press the horn button to activate the horn, using the controller to adjust speed levels. Power off. Unlock brakes to switch to manual mode. Starting in manual mode triggers a controller error. Push up to enable electric mode and clear alert. Connect the power to the adapter. Plugging the charger directly into the wheelchair port. Removing the battery. Slide open the battery port cover, plugging the charger directly into the wheelchair port. Close the charging port cover and reinsert the battery box. Fold up the footrest. Unlock the safety lock. Press downward to fold the wheelchair. Lowering the footrest. Push forward to unfold the wheelchair frame. Engage the safety lock to secure the frame. Raising the armrest for easy access.